name is Scott Atherley, and I'm the Garland plant manager. And I want to talk about our keys to success. I'm going to talk about our keys to success. Thank you. Priorities. We know that simple is better when it comes to setting expectations, and that's why every employee in this facility understands that we have two priorities, and that's to work safe and make quality products. The first, obviously, being safety, is absolutely our number one priority at Engineered Films. It starts at the top of the organization and flows down through everyone, all the way to the entry-level employee. We start every day focused on safety, and we end every day focused on safety. The second priority is quality. We know this is an area that we can never be satisfied. There are always opportunities to improve quality, and we must be proactive in finding those ways to just get better. That's what we talk about at the plant. We talk about just getting better every day. And we believe that if we can work safe and make quality products, that everything else, it'll just fall into place. So our focus simply is work safe, make quality product. When it comes to service, we understand the importance of providing customers with the highest level of service. A major part of that service is on-time delivery. And we've experienced firsthand the impact a supplier can have on an operation. That's why we focus on maintaining open daily communication between all departments to make sure we're meeting ship dates and products arriving on time. We also know the value of flexibility. Needs can change, and they will, right? So we have to be flexible, and we have to adapt to those changing needs of our customers. Our continuous improvement is a major focus throughout the Inteplast group as a whole. And many of our improvement projects are geared towards expanding our capabilities and improving our performance, which is driven by the ongoing growth and evolution of our business. Our commitment to the industry, HVAC has always played a key role in IAF Garland's success. As we've identified areas of capital investment, HVAC growth has always been high on that list. And as we move into 2021, we look forward to continued growth by providing our customers with the highest level of quality and service. I believe Adam talked about this slide a little bit ago, so I'll only say you can see the Garland facility located in North Texas and the other facilities located around the country. On our overview side, we're dedicated to the HVAC department. We have multiple extrusion lines to create flexibility, redundancy, and overlap in the product sizes. We have the capability to produce packaging bags, perforated sleeve or tubing. We make a fire retardant sleeves that are certified to meet the UL 181 standard. And all of our lines have single color print capability. And at this point, we're going to take a video tour of our HVAC department.
Now I'm going to queue up a short video to kind of go through some of our quality testing that we do here, a little bit more specific to HVAC. The first test is the flame relight test for our flame retardant sleeves. This test is used to test the film's flame retardant capabilities. The sample is placed over the insulation lined canister. Any film that overhangs is tucked into the top of the canister. The sample is then taped to remove any excess film from hanging loose. The Bunsen burner is then ignited and the flame is placed under the sample. The heat from that flame will cause a hole in the film. The flame will remain under the sample for 1 minute. Once the minute is over, the flame is removed from the sample. A lighter is then used to try to relight the film around the hole that was created. If the film relights, the timer is started to measure how long the film stays relit. The data for that sample is then recorded in our flame retardant testing logbook to keep historical records of the testing. The second test is our air test. This test is used to check the seals on the HVAC packaging bags. The sample is placed in the device with the air hose inserted into the opening of the bag. The sample is clamped down and the air is turned on. While the air blows up the bag, the operator checks the seal and skirt to see or feel if there are any small air leaks. The bag is blown up with air until it bursts. When the air bursts the bag along the face of the bag, like in this sample, it indicates a strong seal. So thank you. Any film samples or technical data sheets are available upon request. And like it's been mentioned before, at IEF, it's about the film.